You know, this is your boy, the Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666. Now, talking to you about something. You know, I told you the last time I saw you guys talking to you about the signal. I told you the different type of signal. You know what I mean? So, this is what I mean. You know, like I said the other day, there's some signals that is just like, you know, based on something that is called momentum. Like I said the other day, we call momentum signal. You know, those ones, they're just a signal that, you know, once it's given to you, I don't know, it's got to go exactly immediately it's given to you. You know what I mean? Those are momentum signal. You understand? And those type of signals, man, they are so fast, so radical. If you're not fast, you cannot pick it up. All right? And they happen from, you know, one time frame to the other. You can see a signal of momentum generating from the 1 minute time frame, generating from the, you know, 15-minute, 30-minute, straight down to daily momentum. A candlestick has volatility. It's going to break out. You know what I mean? And that's what you think you want to catch. That you want to catch momentum. Okay? Yeah. Those type of traders who trade momentum, they know they cannot catch it easy. So they have some kind of algorithm, you know, that help them to catch something like momentum, which I don't do my stuff that way, bro. You know. So what I do is I base my signal on a trend that is gonna change. Like I said, when my trend is gonna change, you know, I pick my shit. Now, you know what I mean when I say, how do I know that this trend is gonna change? Okay, because we've talked about momentum and we talk about, you know, the trend-based signal, man. So like I said, my trade is based on, or my signal is based on a trend that is gonna change. All right, gonna change direction. So maybe, man, gonna change direction from an uptrend to the downtrend, or from a downtrend going to the uptrend. That's what I mean. Or maybe a reversal, a major pullback from, you know, a major pullback to the trend. Okay? You know what I mean? A major pullback that is gonna happen after the price have separated from the trend. That's what I mean by a pullback, a major pullback. Yes, I take that too. So let me tell you guys and girls about signal. All right. Let's say you've been given a signal maybe to do something. Like maybe your signal is just given to you to buy the market. You understand? To buy the market. All right. You want to buy the market. They gave you a signal to buy the market. All right. Now you want to buy that market. So how you going to buy when they give you a signal? All right? And you got the principle of where they tell you to, you know, buy low, sell high, you know. Buy low, sell high. Okay? Buy low, sell high. Without explaining properly where are you going to buy low? And where are you going to sell high? In what condition? In what situation? You know, all those things being kept a secret, right? And you've been left alone to be like, okay, confused. Like you don't know where to buy that low and sell that high of that market or that signal given to you. Okay, let's say for example, right, a signal is given to you. And I don't mean any kind of signal. I mean a good signal a good signal that is going to that direction is given to you, and they told you to go buy that, okay, and you're looking to buy that, and you get the principle of, okay, I want to buy the low, man, buy the low and sell the high, man, and they gave you a buy signal. Now you want to buy that low. So where do you go buy the low? And let me tell you something now to give you a little bit highlight. You see, when a trend is starting in the forex market, the trend is going to start from the 1 minute time frame. You know, I will never go into talking a lot about the time frame, because I know that, you know, there's a lot of confusion in those type of things, which I would not like to go into it. But what I'm saying here is that, briefly, when they give you a signal, that this signal is a buy. Now, what we expect you to do is not like you're gonna go jump into the market, or you're gonna be waiting for confirmation. What we expect you to do is, because you want to buy, you're gonna go buy the 1 minute time frame, you know, because if that signal is a buy indeed, then it means that whatever makes it be a buy, it means that the 1 minute time frame is sitting on the low, okay, and that is the low you want to go buy. You know what I mean? And if they tell you that that signal is a sell, you know what I mean? It doesn't mean you should wait for confirmation, or it doesn't mean you should jump in and jump out, like what I'm saying. All it means is go to your 1 minute time frame, go and look at what is going on. If it's a sell, the 1 minute time frame is already in the highest high, you know, and that's what you want to sell. You understand? That's exactly what you want to sell. It's not about confusion, okay, because there is a lot of confusion about these things. All right, so that is the way to explain my own signal. You understand? Okay, because only my signal I know how to explain, but I don't know how to explain the signal given to you by another person or another signal generator. You understand? Because only my signal, I know where it comes from. Okay, it's coming from where the market is going to turn around. So that is why the 1 minute entry strategy really works properly, you know. And to give a tip of advice to some of our guys in this forex, most especially some of my own followers, my brother, my sister, my friends out there, I know you follow me. I see you everywhere. I see you on Facebook. I see you on social media. I see you. You know, I see the way most of you, you know, you just jump into the market and jump out. Jump into one signal, jump out. You understand? I see all these things. And that's affecting a lot of people, even affecting mentality. Like, you jump into one group because they gave you a signal, and the signal did not work in your favor. Then you do what? You jump out of it, of the group. It's still the same way you jump into the market and you jump out of the market. You see, a lot of things that's going to bring confusion is when you're not sure about what you're doing, or you're not sure about yourself. But the one who generated the signal and gave it to you, be really sure and stick to the market and stick to the belief of what he's seen or what he is analyzed. You understand what I'm saying? You know, so what I'm saying here is that when you get a signal, buy or sell, the principle of buy low, sell high. If the signal is indeed a buy, go to the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame is on the low. Go and buy the low and forget about any other thing. Okay? The 1 minute time frame is going to be on the low. Go and buy the low and forget about any other thing. If I give you the signal and I said, okay, go and sell, okay, the reason why I gave you a signal to go sell is because the daily time frame is on the highest high. This is why I told you go and sell. You want to go sell that daily leg. But how will you go sell that daily leg, man? You know what I mean? It means the 1 minute time frame is in the highest high. So you want to go to the 1 minute time frame, you want to go sell it. Okay? You want to go sell the 1 minute time frame. That is your entry. Okay? And that is the principle of sell high, buy low. You understand? So I got nothing much to say right now, my guys and my girls. So I think maybe I made myself a little bit clear, and maybe this is a little bit of lesson to you out there to know how we see how we see the market and how we generate our own signal. You understand? You see the chart in a big way. You see the market in a big way. You understand? We don't want to separate the chart. We don't want to separate the market like, we just want to see it in a big way. You understand what I mean? So take care and thank you. It's been 2 or 3 weeks. I gave you the topic of, how to take the signal. But now here's another 3 weeks. We are talking about it one more time. So until next time, if this video really do you a little bit of help, you see one link under this video is gonna take you to one ebook guide PDF that will really help you in this forex thing. Just read it, download it and read it. That's all. So thank you so much, man. Your boy signing out, man. This is your big boy Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666, aka the Ninja Trader. Your ninja boy sign off, man. Next time, bye bye.